southeastern Wise County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Fairview, or 10 miles northeast of Briar, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm is located just west of Denton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Justin and North Lake around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Denton around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flower Mound, Argyle, and Corral City around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Martinville around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corinth and Copper Canyon around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Shady Shores around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hickory Creek around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Oak Point, Keeter, Providence Village, Ponder, Stony, Louisville Lake, Bolivar, Lincoln Park, Dish, and Marshall Creek. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorm watch number 303 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage.